What's up, guys? Four-wheeler doctor back again. Hey, I got a little rancher here I'm working on with a shifter issue, and I figured I'd do a short little video on it because maybe if the next one comes in, I'll probably forgot this, so at least I'll have a video documentation. This is a 2002 model and electric shift. You know, these things have a ton of problems with the electric shift on them. Well, some of them do. Some of them never have issues, and some of them never get fixed. Well, what this one was doing is it was not showing a speed. The miles per hour was not showing up on the screen. And what it would do, it would shift fine until you ran it real hard, like revved it up, tacked it up real high in any gear, and then go to shift it, and it would not shift. So the first thing I naturally checked was the speed sensor, which is actually located over here, right there. Checked that, and I actually swapped it out with one in a bike that I knew worked, and it didn't fix it. So I come over here and check the schematic, and the plug for that speed sensor is right here. It's a 3-wire plug, and in this case, this one has a black and blue wire on it that actually runs up to the display. Well, this was the display that came out of it. I know it looks rough, but it actually did work, at least would light up. So what I did here was checked that black and blue wire on this pin here, and found that it wasn't getting 12 volts. It was supposed to get battery voltage. It was only getting like 0.8 volts or something like that. So I ended up having another display off of a junk bike I had, threw it in there. Now it displays the speed. Now it's showing 12 volts on that blue and black wire, and it hasn't missed a shift in a couple days now, and I've been driving it pretty hard. So just wanted to throw that out there. I know I have another video on here, and I'll probably link it up with this one about shifter problems on these things. This is not just a rancher. I think a lot of these models, the ranchers, the Foremans, any of the electric shift ones, sometimes have trouble. And I think I've run into one like this before where it would fault out if you ran it hard, and it very well may have been this display. But just wanted to throw this out there in case anybody else had this problem. I know some people really chase their tails on some of this shifter stuff. So hope this helps somebody out. Y'all have a good day.